Hey Bookies, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna scrub my feet together, okay? I know it can be kind of gross, but it's real. I am one of those people who have very dry skin on their body and apparently on my feet, because no matter how many times I scrub my feet, how many times I wear socks, how many slippers I wear in the house, my heels always get really calloused, and eventually they get, kind of spiky, and I'm afraid to let my feet touch my husband at night when I'm sleeping. So I have to do regular maintenance, and I found something that really helps. I'm going to insert the picture of it here now. It's a callus remover and I love it. It takes away like half of the scrubbing and digging and just hacking away at your hard, dry feet. So if you have the same problem that I have, because I know that there are girls who are blessed and they don't have to do as much maintenance of their feet. Unfortunately, I'm not one of them, as I stated before. But if you are like me, then you definitely have to get this product. As a matter of fact, I won't put the picture of it. I'll tag it in the comments below, in the description bar below. And yeah, I'm gonna put all of the products that I use. It's pretty simple. I'm not doing any gel polish on my toes today because I need to get a new UV lamp, so I'm just doing like a regular polish, and I'm not even going to bother to put any top coat on it, because honestly, when you put top coat, sometimes it takes forever to dry. So here I am just filing off the existing gel off my toes. I am using a buffer to smooth out the top or the surface of the nails, because when you use the nail file, it could tend to have a lot of grooves and texture. And I'm sorry for the way that this video was shot, but yeah, today was a slow day. Now I'm gonna go in with my cuticle pusher and just push my cuticle back. You wanna do so gently, you don't wanna rip the cuticle, and basically scrape any extra like skin from off the nail bed itself, so that whatever nail polish we apply has a clean platform to stand on. The next thing I'm using is a cuticle clipper, and I'm just kind of snipping the excess away. I try not to do too much when it comes to my toes because I'm not that flexible and I don't have the closest view of my toes. I don't want to just arbitrarily like snip at skin and then, dig into the corner of my toes. And I'm saying that specifically because that's what I did the last time. I dug the tip of this scissor thing into the corner of my toe, and it took a long time to heal. So yeah, now I'm preparing the foot soak. I'm gonna soak my feet in here about 5 minutes before I apply the callus remover, just to soften up the callus on my feet. So I'm using some Epsom salt. It's lavender scented, so that's nice. I'm using a little bit of baking soda. I'm using some of my hand wash. I don't know what scent it is, but yeah, it's like finishing. So, and then making sure the water is the right temperature. We don't want to put it in too hot. And if you have diabetes, then you have to be extremely careful with taking care of your feet. I know that sometimes you have like a nerve problem where you aren't so sensitive to different temperatures, and you don't want to put your feet in like scalding hot water. So if you need someone to check it for you, maybe you can take that approach. So I'm just going to sit with my feet in the water for like 5 to 7 minutes before I apply the callus remover. And here you have a full view of Mr. Banyan. Alright, so at this stage I'm just wiping off majority of the water from my feet, but you can see the texture I'm talking about. You're seeing how rough it is at the bottom, that extra buildup. So my feet would never look clean when I come out of the shower because of the extra callus and all of that. You can scrub it for your whole life, it just won't come off because of the extra callus growth. So I'm going to be applying it to the harder areas of my feet, and as you can see, I'm wearing gloves because this chemical can tend to burn thinner skin, so you don't want to have it on any of your other skin on your hands or on your ankles or anything like that. Now I'm scrubbing it off. You're not getting like a full view of the whole bottom of my foot, but you're definitely going to see how much callus is being removed. And in between, I'm going to have to rinse off the pumice stone because there's a lot of buildup. Okay, so here I use a little brush to try to get out. So the thing about this callus remover is you have to get it off really well because you're going to be slipping and sliding. It can be a real hazard. So you make sure to get out all of the soft and callus under your feet. And here I am using a foot file because if you don't use this foot file, you're going to have like kind of a rough, unfinished skin. So you want to get, you know, the smoothness and the evenness that you want. So you don't have a lot of work to do with this file. And as you can see, just a little bit of the dead skin is sloughing off at this point. So yeah, but it's important because you want a smooth finish. And you can see the great difference between how my feet were looking before and how it's looking now. And here is a close-up. Yeah, I'm very proud of them. Yeah. Alright, so I already polished my toes and I'm just applying some lotion. I use the regular polish as I told you before. I'm not doing any gel, even though I do love gel because of the longevity. But that's it. Thank you. Love you. Bye.